Pakistan is making some serious moves to upgrade its defense capabilities. Two new pieces of military hardware sourced from its long-standing ally China are set to significantly bolster its strategic posture. These are the J35A stealth fighter jet and the HQ-19 missile defense system. These acquisitions are not just routine upgrades, they represent a substantial leap in technological sophistication for the Pakistani armed forces. The introduction of these systems signals a clear intent to modernize and maintain a credible deterrent in a complex and often volatile region. Their arrival will undoubtedly be watched closely by neighbors and global military analysts alike, sparking discussions about their impact on regional security dynamics. The J35A fighter, believed to be an export variant of the Shenyang FC-31 Gerfalcon, brings fifth-generation stealth technology to the Pakistan Air Force. This is a big deal. Stealth allows an aircraft to operate in contested airspace with a much lower chance of being detected and engaged by enemy radar and air defense systems. The HQ-19, on the other hand, is a sophisticated anti-ballistic missile system. It is designed to intercept incoming enemy missiles at high altitudes, providing a crucial defensive layer against strategic threats. Together, these systems aim to enhance Pakistan's offensive air capabilities and its defensive shield, creating a more robust and resilient national security framework for the nation. These developments are happening against a backdrop of evolving geopolitical alignments and rapid military technological advancements globally. For Pakistan, ensuring its defense is up to par with emerging challenges is a top priority. The J35A and HQ-19 are not just symbols of military strength, they are practical tools intended to address specific security concerns. They provide Pakistan with capabilities that could alter operational doctrines and strategic calculations in South Asia. The focus is clearly on acquiring cutting-edge technology to ensure a qualitative edge, or at least parity, when it comes to national defense and security in the coming years. The strategic partnership between Pakistan and China underpins these acquisitions. This relationship has deepened over the years, particularly in the defense sector, with China becoming a key supplier of advanced military technology to Pakistan. This transfer of high-end systems like the J35A and HQ-19 underscores the strength of this alliance. It also highlights China's growing role as a major player in the international arms market, offering alternatives to Western or Russian-sourced equipment. The integration of these new assets will be a complex undertaking, but one that Pakistan evidently deems essential for its future security and its standing on the world stage. The J-35. A stealth fighter represents a significant step for the Pakistan Air Force, catapulting it firmly into the realm of fifth-generation air power. The defining characteristic of such aircraft is, of course, stealth. This isn't just about being invisible to radar, it's a comprehensive suite of technologies designed to reduce an aircraft's detectability across multiple spectrums: radar, infrared, visual, and acoustic. The J-35A likely incorporates advanced airframe shaping, radar-absorbent materials, and internal weapons bays to minimize its radar cross-section. This means it can penetrate deeper into enemy airspace, conduct reconnaissance, and strike targets with a higher chance of survival than conventional non-stealthy aircraft. Beyond stealth, the J-35A is expected to deliver superior air superiority capabilities. This means it's designed not just to survive, but to dominate the skies. This is achieved through a combination of high maneuverability, potentially supercruisability, that's supersonic flight without afterburners, and a powerful active electronically scanned array radar. An AESA radar offers significant advantages over older mechanically scanned radars, including longer detection ranges, the ability to track multiple targets simultaneously, and greater resistance to electronic jamming. These features allow the J-35A pilot to see further, engage threats more effectively, and maintain situational awareness that is critical in complex aerial engagements. The cockpit of a fifth-generation fighter like the J-35A is also a technological marvel. It features advanced avionics and sensor fusion. Sensor fusion is the process of combining data from multiple onboard and offboard sensors: radar, infrared search and track, electronic warfare suites, and data links, into a single, coherent picture of the battle space for the pilot. This reduces the pilot's workload and dramatically improves their situational awareness, allowing for quicker and better decision-making in high-stakes combat scenarios. Large panoramic cockpit displays and helmet-mounted display systems are likely integral parts of this advanced human-machine interface, giving the pilot an unprecedented view of their surroundings. The introduction of the J35A will necessitate a shift in PAF doctrine, training, and infrastructure. Operating and maintaining such advanced aircraft requires specialized skills and facilities. However, the potential benefits are immense. A squadron of J35As could provide Pakistan with a qualitative edge, enabling it to project power more effectively and deter aggression. It complicates the planning for any potential adversary who must now account for a stealthy, highly capable fighter in their calculations. This acquisition is less about numbers and more about the advanced capabilities it brings to the table, potentially reshaping the aerial balance in the region for years to come. The J35A is not just a standalone stealthy platform, its true strength lies in its integration within a networked battle space. Modern air combat is increasingly about information dominance, and the J35A is designed to be a key node in this digital web. It will likely feature advanced secure data links, allowing it to seamlessly share vast amounts of tactical information with other friendly assets. This includes other J35As, older generation fighters, airborne early warning and control aircraft, ground-based command and control centers, and even naval or land forces. This interconnectedness multiplies the effectiveness of each individual unit, creating a cohesive and responsive fighting force. This network-centric capability extends to the realm of cyber warfare. The J35A is expected to possess sophisticated electronic warfare systems, but also capabilities that blur the line into cyber operations. This could include the ability to disrupt or deceive enemy sensors and communication networks, not just through traditional jamming but also through more subtle cyber intrusions. For instance, it might be able to inject false data into enemy systems, or even gain a degree of control over them. These advanced cyber capabilities are crucial for degrading an opponent's command, control, communications, computers, intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance architecture, effectively blinding and confusing them on the battlefield. The importance of information sharing and data fusion cannot be overstated in the context of fifth-generation warfare. The J35A, by collecting data from its powerful sensors and receiving information from other platforms, can build a comprehensive picture of the operational environment. This allows pilots to make more informed decisions, engage targets with greater precision, and avoid threats more effectively. The ability to operate in a silent mode, receiving data from other sources while minimizing its own emissions, further enhances its stealth and survivability. This level of integration makes the J35A a force multiplier, enhancing the capabilities of the entire Air Force. Furthermore, the J35A's systems are likely designed with cyber resilience in mind. Just as it can project cyber effects, it must also be able to defend against enemy cyber attacks targeting its own systems. This involves robust encryption, secure software, and hardware designed to resist tampering and intrusion. The digital battlefield is a two-way street, and ensuring the integrity and availability of the J35A's own network systems is paramount to its operational success. This focus on both offensive and defensive cyber capabilities underscores the evolving nature of air power in the 21st century, where bits and bytes can be as crucial as bombs and missiles. Alongside the offensive punch of the J35A, Pakistan is also bolstering its defensive capabilities with the HQ-19 missile system. This is a highly advanced, road-mobile air and missile defense system developed by China. Its primary role is to intercept and destroy a range of aerial threats at long ranges and high altitudes. This includes tactical and theater ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, precision-guided munitions, and even enemy aircraft. The HQ-19 is often compared to systems like the American Terminal High Altitude Area Defense, or THAAD, due to its focus on exo-atmospheric and upper endo-atmospheric interception of ballistic missiles, providing a crucial upper-tier defense layer. The technology behind the HQ-19 is sophisticated. It typically comprises advanced phased array radar systems for detection and tracking, a command and control center for battle management, and mobile launchers equipped with interceptor missiles. These interceptors are designed for high speed and maneuverability, often employing hit-to-kill technology, which means they destroy the incoming target through direct kinetic impact, rather than relying on a fragmentation warhead. This precision is vital when dealing with fast-moving ballistic missile threats. The system's mobility also allows it to be deployed strategically to protect critical national assets, or to be repositioned as threat assessments change. The significance of the HQ-19 for Pakistan's strategic defense cannot be understated. In a region with multiple missile-capable states, having a robust defense against ballistic missiles is a critical component of national security. The HQ-19 aims to provide Pakistan with the capability to counter threats that could otherwise overwhelm existing shorter-range air defense systems. By being able to engage targets at greater distances and higher altitudes, it extends the defended footprint and provides more time for a successful interception. This enhances the survivability of key military installations, command centers, and population centers, thereby strengthening Pakistan's overall deterrence posture. Moreover, the HQ-19 contributes to a layered air defense network. No single system can defend against all types of aerial threats. Effective air defense relies on integrating various systems with different capabilities, short, medium, and long range, to create a comprehensive and resilient shield. The HQ-19 would sit at the upper end of this layered defense, working in conjunction with other air defense assets Pakistan operates or may acquire in the future. This integrated approach ensures that there are multiple opportunities to engage and neutralize incoming threats, significantly complicating an adversary's attack plans and enhancing the overall defensive resilience of the nation. The introduction of the HQ-19 missile defense system into Pakistan's arsenal has considerable strategic implications, particularly concerning the regional military balance with India. India has itself invested heavily in multi-layered air defense, most notably with the acquisition of the Russian S-400 Triumph system. The S-400 is a formidable system capable of engaging a wide array of aerial targets. The HQ-19, with its specialized anti-ballistic missile capabilities, can be seen as a direct response or a complementary capability aimed at ensuring Pakistan can counter similar long-range strike threats and maintain strategic equilibrium in the missile defense domain. A key role of systems like the HQ-19 is to enhance strategic stability through deterrence. By possessing a credible defense against ballistic